Hello YouTube. I posted a test video that was just disassembly and reassembly of the Glock with no comments on it, and I was trying to get it done relatively quickly so I could carve it into GIFs for Imgur, and it was interestingly received, but the number one comment was, "Sure, but can you do it blindfolded?" Well, I guess we're gonna find out. So, thanks to the handy-dandy pillowcase of blindness and apparently suffocation, attempting to keep this in frame. I don't know how much of my head you can see, but I assure you I can't see jack. So, without further ado, and with one tool and a lot of prayers, let's see what happens. Make sure that my firearm is safe and empty. The Braille method, nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magazine well. Gun is in working condition. So, take down lever, slide, recoil spring, barrel. Backing plate, probably the most troublesome piece. Extractor rod assembly. Firing pin safety. Excuse me, extractor and firing pin safety and its spring. Extractor rod, break down into its 3 parts, trying to keep them roughly together. Firing pin safety and spring also into its base components. The big troublesome one. So now the question of, can I hang on to the spring cups? That's one. One. This will be interesting. Oh, hell yeah. 2 spring cups. Alright, that gives us at least a chance of actually pulling this off. In the interest of space, I'm going to have to do the slide first and then come back for the rest of it. So we got the extractor and the firing pin safety, and this feels like the firing pin safety spring. So far, so good. Extractor, extractor plunger, extractor plunger rod, and spring. Obviously, I can't tell if my head/face is in frame at this point, so I'm doing this on faith. Single coil end, I hope. Sigh of relief as the spring cups appear to have gone on correctly. Back plate itself. Seems to be a working slide. Hopefully I can get it back. Now for the lower. First pin. Release, locking block, of course, organize these, locking block, safety. Pin should be, like barrel parts. No, where's my other pin? Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, all in my hand already. That's where it is. Alright, so keeping our parts in one place. Locking block out, rear pin out. You're gonna have to forgive me if I'm not gonna do the magazine or the takedown lever, because I can barely do those when I can see them. Of course, this is like the worst spring for this because it's a little too tight. So that's trigger rod, trigger bar. Spring, and I get the connector out. And that's the connector out, which should be all of the parts of the lower. This, no spring. I'm not going to take the ejector out either because there's no point in damaging it. Backwards is part of the problem. Take down lower. Oh. No. Always a few parts left over. Any parts left over? Oh, declaring victory. Enjoy, YouTube.